it make me feel better. I'm trying to get you out my bed, but I still can't get you in my head.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, we got a new unit, girl, and this is from one of my favorite brands of all times, Luvme hair. So let's go ahead and get right into it, y'all. I am so excited for this. Y'all know I love me some Luvme. But look at the packaging. Their iconic purple box is always everything. It's always giving everything it's supposed to give. It's tea. Definitely tea. But let's get into it. As always, upon opening the box, you have your inscription from the founder. This one says, "Love me for you, born for you, existing for you. Unbox the love and shine bright." From your founder, Helena. I'm telling you, it just always feels like a grand experience. Unboxing your Luvme hair. Always. Alright, so upon opening the box, ooh, is this like some wig grip tape? Some skin tint tape? We have this. We have this. We have the storage baggie. We have wig care instructions. And we have a label. Because these wigs don't come labeled or named. So you can name your unit sticking on the box and store it for later. So you know what you're reaching for the next time you're reaching for your Luvme hair. Oh, OMG. She is perfect. See, Luvme hair gets me. They know me. Like, this is right on time for the fall and winter months. I love me some long hair, though. Long hair is definitely my jam, but I love a good bob, too. And Luvme hair has some of the best bobs. I have recently been enjoying a bob from them. I'll have that one linked down below so you can check it out. It's definitely tea, girl. It is giving the best bob ever. Their hair density is top notch. The cut, girl. But let's get into this baby here. OMG. She comes pre-styled. We do have to cut the lace on this one. Ooh, we have a super deep part on this. Girl, I'm telling you, wigs have advanced so much. OMG. Look at this. What lace, literally. Super undetectable. Loving that. She looks to be just about 22 inches. Girl, I love a good va-va-boom unit. And she's definitely giving that. Look at the curls on this. OMG. It's giving body, girl. Not too tight. Super flowy. To maintain this look, all we need is some flexi rod rollers. And that'll keep us in the game. But she's beautiful. Let me go ahead and show you the cap construction on her. She looks super comfortable. We don't have any hard or harsh ear tags in it, or ear tabs. So this is going to be a super comfortable cap. OMG. Look at that. Love that. And then we have our famous adjuster here that they're known for this lately. I'm telling you, this is a total game changer, having this adjustable piece right here. This is just everything. So you got a wig, one wig, 3 sizes. But we're going to keep her right here because I got a nice size head and I do like comfort. So we're going to leave her right there. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. And we'll be right back. This is how the unit looks now that I've cut my lace. And I always do like a jagged cut. Nothing too, you know, sharp. But this is it. Let's put it on. The adjustable strap inside is removable. I love those. I don't see why anybody would want to remove that. It just adds extra security. But I love it. But it is removable should you want to. I like to go from front to the back. OMGG, look at that. Ah. It is tea already, and we haven't even done anything. I'm telling you, the hair and the lace quality over at Luvme Hair is unmatched. Look at that. OMGG. Look at that. Definitely unmatched. Now, just to make this that much more flawless, I am going to go around the perimeter with my pressed powder. But she is giving. OMGG. I love a unit that I don't have to do anything to, but just cut the lace, put it on, and that's all we did. Now, they do have a large selection of pre-cut lace units as well. But girl, she's giving. OMGG. It's the length for me. Girl, this may be 24 inches. Ooh, I'm loving it. This is me right here. Okay, Luvme. Luvme. She is gorgeous. Let me know what you think. Let me go and perfect my lace. But girl, I know you see it. She's already like perfection though. But we can go a step further and make it even more flawless. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm just gonna take my brush and just hit that hairline with it. Definitely gorgeous. Love, love, love. Now, if you're one of those who likes a helmet style wig, maybe I shouldn't call it a helmet, but where you like to put all that gel and like make it like actually stuck to the skin, you can definitely do that with this unit. You can cut a little off right in here to do that little slicky, hard baby hair looking thing that they like to do. I like the way it looks though. I just don't want to do it on myself, but I definitely like the way it looks. But I just don't like the idea of my wig being stuck. I truly love a glueless moment, girl. I don't want anything stuck. But she is so cute. This hair is everything. Now, if you want to cut a few more layers in it, you most definitely can, because girl, this hair is everything. Let me know what you think. Luvme is always serving. And when I tell you this is the most comfortable cap, they have the most comfortable wigs by far. I'm telling you, the ears, comfortably wear glasses or whatever with this, and you won't have headaches from those little ear tabs and your glasses on, girl. Definitely the way to go. Love it. What you think? She is giving. Definitely check out Luvme Hair. All the information is down below in that description box, along with the coupon code to save you some extra coin. Definitely need a Luvme Hair in your collection. You definitely need one of these. Check out all their styles, girl. Love those. Oh, beautiful. Gorgeous. Alright, girl, that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed today's video, today's unit. Let me know what you think down below in that comments area. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.
I'm seeing you, words takes a good time. I know you by your phone, so boy pick up your line. I ain't too proud to beg, so what's been said